What's the meaning of bore? Bore. Bore.
Bore. Bore. The word bore can have multiple meanings depending on the context it is used in. It can mean to drill or dig a hole, to make someone feel weary or uninterested by constant repetition or tediousness, or to indicate a person who is uninteresting or dull. The result of being bored is often a feeling of restlessness, dissatisfaction, or frustration. When something is labeled as boring, it tends to lack excitement, stimulation, or engagement that can keep a person's attention and interest. Overall, the term bore and its associated emotions may vary in intensity and duration based on individual preferences and circumstances.